Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 9, that is Sacred Geography and Pilgrimage in India. So in this chapter I will tell you about what is sacredness and the sacred places of different religion, right, and pilgrimage centers. So let's start with the concept of sacredness in India, which is very rich and clear. It refers to, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Things that have deep sense of spiritual meaning, reverence and respect. सेक्रेट थिंग्स इन इंडिया कैन बी स्पेशल लोकेशन, भाई वो एक स्पेशल लोकेशन हो सकती है, श्राइन हो सकता है, पिलग्रिमेज जर्नी हो सकती है, रूट्स हो सकती है, और इवन द लैंड इटसेल्फ. व्हाट मेक्स इंडिया यूनिक इन हाउ sacredness connect religion, spirituality, geography and cultural tradition. So in our country, sacred places exist of all religion and belief system which helps in bringing unity. ये क्या लेके आता है? जो डाइवर्स कम्युनिटी होती है उनके बीच में यूनिटी लेके आता है. So people go on pilgrimage and what they do, they visit sacred sites, they venerate something called sacred geography. So which makes the entire land divine. There is also something जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, sacred ecology, which links nature, culture and spiritual. This also help in protecting our environment. Sacred geography बहुत ज्यादा important है हमारी कंट्री के लिए, क्योंकि इंटीग्रेट करती है इंडिया को कल्चरली भी, सोशली भी और इकोनॉमिकली भी. किसके थ्रू? शेयर्ड वैल्यूज के. So what is the meaning of sacredness? It means the quality of being holy, divine and deeply respected with religious or spiritual ways. It's about something that's क्या signify करते हैं? Great meaning, and it is treated with reverence. So sacred goes beyond the ordinary things and has a special connection to religious or spirituality belief. It inspires feeling to away, respect in people who believe in the significance. When something is sacred, what it create? Deep feeling. A deep feeling create करता है high thoughts or emotion in the field. Right? So in our country, we apply sacredness to specific places जैसे shrine or temple, natural features जैसे river or mountain, pilgrimage journeys on the land that these journeys cover. तो जो beauty of sacredness in India में, it is how it blends religion, geography, tradition in a way that is unique in our country. So it creates a mosaic of holy places across the land. So sacred places in different ways. देखो अलग अलग places हैं, अलग अलग religion है, आपको अलग अलग लोग देखने को मिलेंगे जो अपने अपने different places को prayer करते हैं. So what interesting that we have Velakani Church in Tamil Nadu जो attract करता है followers of other faiths. ये promote करता है interfaith harmony. What it promote? Interfaith harmony. People go on pilgrimage site and its journey takes to the sacred site. So in contrast to this, when we look at the religion that originate in India, what we find? We find some natural sites. And that is, there are, आपको पता भी होगा हमारे इंडिया में number of Buddhist places हैं that are either visited by Buddha or are where the relics are kept. So two of these most places are Great Stupa at Sanchi and the Mahabodhi Stupa in Bodh Gaya, जो कहाँ पे है? बिहार है. यहाँ पे आपको important sites देखने को मिलती हैं. सिखिज्म अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट एंड प्रोमिनेंट रिलीजन है, राइट, जिसे हम तख्त कहते हैं, राइट. ये सेंटर ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल अथॉरिटी है. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? सेंटर ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल अथॉरिटी. वी हैव अकल तख्त which is the part of Golden Temple at Amritsar, right? Now these takhts are tied to the lives of Sikh gurus, making them very significant pilgrimage destinations. Sikhs aspire to understand pilgrimage to those places which is life place, and they are associated with important Sikh gurus. जो आपके important Sikh gurus उनसे भी associated है. We have Guru Nanak, right? As far as Jainism is concerned, the sacred places are called peaks. Right? इन्हें हम तीर्थंकर्स भी कहते हैं, which attained liberation or had an important life event over here. So Hinduism and many folks of spiritual beliefs give natural element as divine. So we have mountains, river, forest, trees and animals that are worshipped as deities. Right? We have people tree. People get tree को आपने देखा होगा, लोग उसकी पूजा करते हैं. And we have नियाम डोंगर हिल जो झारखंड में है, ये सेक्रेट है, और डोंगारिया कौन who believe that deity नियम राजा reside in the hill. ये क्या प्रिवेंट करता है? People from cutting trees there, right? Sikhism government protects sacred mountains, caves, lakes and spring. टोडा shrine जो तमिलनाडु की है, उसको हम नीलगिरी पिक्स कंसिडर करते हैं. Now pilgrimage and तीर्थयात्रा, ये क्या है? ये एक जर्नी है, सेक्रेट साइट है जिसको हम कहते हैं. This tradition is very ancient in our country, more than 3,000 year old. It involves both physical journey to sacred places and inner spiritual journey. So for 1,000 years, what happened? Pilgrims have crossed India without any modern means of transport. कोई modern means of transport भी नहीं था. उसके बिना ही they have crossed India and the entire land sacred through their footsteps. They are mainly pilgrimage site in the country जो famous थी किसके लिए? Sacredness के लिए and faith of people. Some of these famous sites include Badrinath, Kedarnath, and they are related to Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. These attract the cleanness of the sense and the breathing. कहाँ located है? Garhwal Himalayas with Kedarnath being the highest and the most. अमरनाथ के पास की हिमालय में considered the abode of Mahamayik Shaktipeeth, attracts large number of people, right? Two most other important pilgrimages include, we have Padharpur Wari in Maharashtra, 800-year-old annual pilgrimage, जो लोग walk करते थे for 21 days and they reach Vithoba temple in Pandharpur. Far south है, then we have Sabrimala temple जो आपका केरला में located है. It is dedicated to Ayyappa. ये attract करता है 10 million devotees को, right? Then we have sacred geography. It refers to how sacred sites across India, they are interconnected and what they form? Divine network. All over India, we find several such networks. One of the most important network is Char Dham Yatra, जो cover करती है north, south, east and west. And a similar aspiration, जिसमें आपके 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग, that is dedicated to Lord Shiva. So besides this, there are 51 Shaktipeeths linked to Sati's body part, covering India, Bangladesh and Pakistan. So the network क्या show करता है? It shows above to create a sacred map, making the entire land divine. And the story of Shaktipeeths is particularly symbolic. ये क्या suggest करती है? That entire land is the divine mother body. जो पूरा land है, वो आपकी entire mother body को divine. So when pilgrims travel these routes, they encounter diverse language, custom and food, and final commodities that unites us. So merchants, scholars and pilgrims use these routes. They exchange goods and ideas. Discussion and debates and storytelling along these routes enrich India culture unity. Then we have sacred ecology. Right? आपने देखा होगा कि जो इंडिया है, it is often located near river, lakes, forests and mountains. Natural landscape जैसे आपके कोनिया के क्षेत्र और sacred spaces they are protecting our nature together. Then we have sacred rivers, which is worshipped since Vedic times. We can see in the Rig Veda, Nadi Shukti and the hymns praise 19 ancient rivers of northwest India. Rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari and Krishna, they are invoked in many rituals and calling them Ganga Ji or Yamuna Ji. The source, tributaries and the parts are considered sacred. Then we have sacred mountains. All over the world, mountains are associated with legends, deities or heroes. Mountains are seen as a symbolic gateway to heaven and often the hot hilly top fields. The arduous tracks of test pilgrim physical and mental strength, making the journey itself part of spiritual experiences. Sacred trees and groves. In many parts of India, trees are adorned with offering like turmeric, kumkum. One species of fig tree, जिसे हम कहते हैं पीपल और बो ट्री और बोध ट्री, जिसे हम अस्तवथा कहते हैं, ये sacred है to Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. In fact, its botanical name is Ficus religiosa, literally means religious or sacred fig tree. Tree in the Mahabani temple or Bodhya is often cited as what? Direct descendant of the original tree, under which the Buddhist tradition, the Buddha attained enlightenment. The name Bodh tree or Bodhya. So what happened? These groves called Khan or Devran, which helps to conserve water and diversity over here. Then we have pilgrimage, trade and culture integration. आप यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं, ये कलकाई टेम्पल है, ये माल पार्क सेक्रेड है, ये स्क्रूज बेहिल्स का है और कारुम्बरन कोंडा है. So traders would sell goods like pearls, gold, cotton species to pilgrims. Some traders even doubled to pilgrims, combining business with a spiritual visit. So pilgrimage merchants and scholars, they shared not just goods but also ideas and stories. ये exchange करते हैं fostered new ideas को and helped adopted old ones. Right? Pilgrimage network like Char Dham, Jyotirling encourage pan-India travel. The Mahabharata Ramayana describes many pilgrimage sites. Even rural और जो tribal communities होती हैं, वो claim करती हैं इनको epic heroes visited their region and they are the shrines that marking the passages. Mohenjo-daro की जो seal है with people leaves show that tree was significant in the ancient time. Now sacred geography beyond India. देखो जो concept है आपका और practice है किसकी, sacred groups की, geography की, it is not unique to India. Ancient Greece and sacred mountains and groves, Native Americans viewed nature as sacred, or what they forming Maunga mountains for their ancestors. So we are protecting his saxonity. अगर हम न्यूजीलैंड की बात करें, law है that is granted to Taranaki Maunga human-like rights, right? So Maroi elders ये advance advocate है for sacred rivers and mountains against exploration, showing how indigenous communities worldwide share similar views. Now challenges and conservation. So today sacred rivers like Yamuna and Mahanadi and the Kaveri face pollution, human neglect and lack of common concern are degrading many sacred sites. So what happened? Over exploitation threatens rivers and mountains. भाई अगर आप ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन करोगे तो रिवर्स को भी हार्म पहुंचेगा और आपके माउंटेन्स को भी, जो आपकी सेक्रेट वैल्यू के अगेंस्ट है. Sacred geography promotes sustainable by viewing nature as divine. Many people are now advocating for protection of sacred sites, both कि वो अपने डाइटीज को भी प्रिजर्व कर सके और अपने इन्वायरमेंट को भी सेव कर सके. नाउ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एम्फेसाइज करता है प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर नेशनल हेरिटेज एंड सेक्रेड ग्रूव्स, प्रॉपर कंजर्वेशन एफर्ट्स टू मेंटेन बोथ. भाई एक प्रॉपर कंजर्वेशन मेथड्स भी ले रहा है जिससे क्या कर सके, आपके दोनों चीज को मेंटेन कर सके, बायोडाइवर्सिटी को भी और सेंसिटिव. अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ द लैंड बिकम सेक्रेट हेल्प्स अस टू अप्रिशिएट आवर कल्चरल हेरिटेज. ये इंकरेज करता है टू प्रोटेक्ट दीज स्पेसेस फॉर द फ्यूचर जनरेशन, राइट. व्हेन वी स्टडी दिस कंसेप्ट हम रियलाइज करते हैं कि जो स्पिरिचुअलिटी और इन्वायरमेंटल कंजर्वेशन है ये क्या है, एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड, राइट चिल्ड्रन. So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.